How to make money today for doing absolutely nothing on Fiverr. And don't even doubt this for a second. This is very much possible. You can make money on Fiverr for selling services that you don't even know how to do. Go to Fiverrcom Insight for simple tasks such as real estate logo design. Browse through the search results and you'll notice that people are buying these logos for as much as $65 per logo. Now, instead of going for someone who is selling their logos for $65, go for someone who is selling for $10 or even $5. The next thing that you need to do is to take screenshots of their past work and collect as much information about them as possible. For example, find out if this person does corrections and at what cost. Next, go to Facebook, look up real estate and scroll down to groups. The next thing that you need to do is to join all real estate groups on Facebook. After joining, click discussion and create a public post about the services that you are offering together with the price. Now, when someone orders a logo from you, just go back to Fiverr and order from the person you took their details. That way you can be able to make $100 from Fiverr without doing any service. Okay, if you like this video, go ahead and click on that plus sign, like this video, comment and share. Until next time, bye bye.